Hello friends, today we will learn how to create beads and sequences designed in StitchMax software vertical bar. What is the parameter to set and what shortcuts are used? So let's start with this design, in which we can see that there are 4 types of beads in it and there are 2 types of sequin inside it. So we have to set the parameter first. So first of all, we set the parameter according to this command. Here is the sequin tool. If we right-click on it, then the sequin parameter will open. Then we will click on the sequence palette. On the first A, there are 2x2 beads. Click on the Edit palette to set it. Set the diameter and height and select the beads. Second B has a 2.5x2 bead. Its diameter and height will also be set. The beads will be selected. Then OK will press. Then there is a 3x3 pearl on the third C. We will also set its diameter and height. Select the pearl. Then, on the fourth D, there is a 2.5x4 pipe. We will also set its diameter and height. Select the pipe. Then there is a sequin of 3 mm on 5E. Its diameter will be set in the Edit palette. Then there is a 5 mm sequence at 6F. Will set its diameter in the Edit palette. After setting all the commands, we will select one again. Here only we have to set the parameters, then we will click back on one. Whatever objects we want, sequences or beads, we have to give commands here. Start drawing. Select line fill with badger and draw object. By pressing the Ctrl, you can create a straight line. We'll save distance from Alt+M. And mirror the object from Shift+M, then press the tab. It has a 5 mm sequence. The sequence will open the parameter. Insert the row. Then the command F will apply. OK, press it. Open the line parameter, apply the motif of the single in style, then the sequence will be applied. If we want to change the stitch length of A, then we can do that line from the parameter. And B, C, D, E. If you want to change the stitch length of all these, then it will be from the sequence parameter. Here you can see the sequence stitch length. Now we have to change the stitch length of F. So let's apply 5 here. Here you can see that the sequence is not coming. To correct it, we will do this option here. After that we will draw a circle. To take the circle to the center of the object, select both objects, then press Ctrl-Shift-C. Then the center of both objects will be the same. Then copy-paste the circle. We'll set for beads. So there is a pearl in it, which we have set to C. Select the object. Then the sequence will go to the parameter. Insert row and apply C command. Whenever we use beads, we have to apply the motif of hanging in the line parameter. If you want to change the stitch length, then you can do it from here. Then we will draw another circle here. We have taken 2.5x2 beads in B command. The sequence will go to the parameter, insert the row, and apply the B command. Then apply the hanging motif in the line parameter. We'll set the stitch length. We'll copy-paste it for another circle. Here we have set to by 2 beads on A. The sequence will go to the parameter, insert the row and apply the command. We do not have to select anything in the sequence palette. Then we'll copy it. It has a 3 mm sequence which we have set to 1000. The sequence will go to the parameter, insert the row and apply the command. You can see that the sequence is locked from one side, so we have to apply the motif of hanging in it too. Then comes the pipe. For this we have to apply the motif of the pendant in the line parameter. Shift 1 will press. Then we will apply the command in the sequence parameter. Here we can see the height of the beads is 4 mm. Right now we can see here. The motif is coming in a little cross. So to correct this, go to Tools and click on Edit Style. Search for the motif of the Latkan on it and move it to the center. Then press Shift G to apply it to the object. Its stitch length will be set in the sequence parameter. To set its height, we will go to the line parameter. We will set the height. So this is our design complete. And to learn something new, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.